Religion has been an essential component of human civilization throughout history, influencing not only the way people understand the world but also shaping social structures, politics, art, and culture. The history of ideas in religion traces the development of religious concepts and beliefs from the earliest recorded history to the present. It encompasses a wide range of philosophical, theological, and cultural developments that have shaped and been shaped by human societies. In this exploration, we will focus on key periods, movements, and figures that have been instrumental in the evolution of religious thought, examining how religion has interacted with and influenced the broader intellectual and cultural landscape. Before written records were available, prehistoric humans practiced a variety of religious rituals and beliefs, though these can only be inferred through archaeology and the study of later traditions. The earliest religious beliefs likely centered on animism, the idea that natural objects and phenomena possess spiritual qualities. Evidence of ritual practices, such as burial rites and cave paintings, suggests an early recognition of an afterlife, spiritual forces, and the divine. In some prehistoric cultures, early forms of totemism emerged, where specific animals or plants were believed to have a sacred connection to a tribe or group. These early beliefs would lay the groundwork for the more structured religions that developed later. The Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, and Assyrians developed polytheistic religions centered around gods representing natural forces, such as the sun, moon, water, and fertility. The Epic of Gilgamesh, one of the earliest works of literature, reflects themes of death, immortality, and divine intervention, which were central to Mesopotamian religion. Egyptian religion was deeply rooted in the worship of gods like Ra, Osiris, and Isis, with a strong focus on the afterlife. The concept of Ma'at, or cosmic order, was central to Egyptian religious thought, and the pharaoh was seen as both a divine ruler and a mediator between the gods and the people. Though little is known about the religious practices of the Indus Valley civilization, archaeological evidence suggests a focus on fertility and nature-based deities, as well as early forms of ritual purification, which would later influence Hinduism. In medieval Europe, scholasticism was a dominant intellectual movement that sought to reconcile faith and reason. Figures like Thomas Aquinas and Augustine of Hippo argued that reason and philosophy could be used to understand and explain religious truths. Aquinas' Summa Theologica is one of the most influential works in Christian theology, exploring topics such as the nature of God, ethics, and the relationship between faith and reason. The Islamic world produced many great thinkers during the medieval period, such as Al-Farabi, Avicenna, Ibn Sina, and Averroes, Ibn Rushd, who sought to synthesize Greek philosophy, particularly the works of Aristotle and Plato, with Islamic theology. These scholars made significant contributions to fields such as medicine, astronomy, and philosophy, while also addressing theological questions like the nature of God and the soul. Mystical traditions within various religions began to emerge during this period. Christian mystics like Meister Eckhart and the Spanish mystics Teresa of Avila and John of the Cross emphasized direct, personal experience of God through contemplation.